Ready to explore the world without coming home to a shocking Mint Mobile bill? Let's dive into how to use Mint Mobile's international roaming like a pro. First, before you even pack your bags, open your Mint Mobile app. This is your control center for everything international roaming. Make sure you have the latest version installed from your app store. Now, tap on the international roaming option, usually found within your account settings. Here, you'll see the available data packages and their prices. Mint Mobile offers various options, so choose one that fits your data needs. Remember, Wi-Fi is your friend whenever possible. Pay close attention to the cost per gigabyte. Larger packages usually offer better value. Once you've chosen a package, purchase it directly through the app. It's super straightforward. After purchasing, activate your roaming package. The app will guide you through this process. Usually, it involves toggling a switch to enable international roaming. Do this only when you're actually abroad to avoid unnecessary usage. Calling and texting rates vary by country, so check the specific rates for your destination within the app before you make any calls or send texts. This will help avoid surprises. Pro tip: utilize Wi-Fi for calls, texts, and data whenever possible. Apps like WhatsApp, FaceTime, and Skype are your best friends. Public Wi-Fi hotspots can significantly reduce your roaming costs. Keep an eye on your data usage within the Mint Mobile app. Monitor your remaining balance to avoid overage charges. You can always purchase more data if needed. And that's it. With a little planning and the Mint Mobile app, you can stay connected without breaking the bank on your international adventures. Happy travels!